Or moving on to football, despite fears that the JFF Women's Football League would once again be affected by a lack of sponsorship, an assurance has come that the league will not be curtailed this season. The affirmation came during Thursday's awards ceremony for the 2018 season. Karen Madden was at the Jamaica Football Federation headquarters.
For now, we have not yet seen any indication that someone wants to sponsor this competition in full.
That comment from the JFF General Secretary fueled fears last week that the Women's League was once again in trouble in a year when the Reggae Girls will make their debut at the World Cup. But on Thursday, last season's sponsors, Lascelles Employees and Partners Cooperative Credit Union, confirmed their continued support for the league. In fact, Lascelles indicated they would support the league this season as well as the next. And with the Reggae Girls seeing increased sponsorship since their historic qualification to the global event this summer, Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange appealed for more support for the local league.
But ladies and gentlemen, more support must be given to female football. We must take care of the players at the lower level. We have to take care of all these girls, and we have to take care of even the younger ones. Going forward, we must ensure that there is consistency, Mr. President, in the staging of the league competitions. We must eliminate the stop and start syndrome.
For his part, JFF President Michael Ricketts urged the clubs to partner their women's program with the men's.
Cavalier, Waterhouse, I was so impressed when I watched that game. And I reckon there were probably 3,000 people watching that finals. Never seen that ever in women's football. To all the teams that participated, congratulations to you. We want to ask that the Premier League teams align their men's Premier League outfit with those of the fairer sex so that the ladies and the men can compete together.
Meanwhile, as expected, the league and knockout champions Waterhouse walked away with the lion's share of the awards, with Captain Terania Clark, who has been called to the Reggae Girls squad, cupping the finals MVP title. Her teammate Tiana Shouter was named the top goalkeeper, while Akeisha Small won the league MVP title. After knocking in 15 goals, Chanel Spence of Arnett Gardens cupped the league's top scorer chart. Fraser's Whip won the Fair Play Award after collecting the least number of cards. Arnett Gardens collected $160,000 for finishing fourth in the league, Olympic $280,000, with second place Team Cavalier pocketing $300,000 and the champions Waterhouse $500,000. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.